Hi everyone, this is Caroline from Art with Caroline. It's my YouTube channel that I did start, and I had the title Under Four Paws Art Studio. I changed it recently to coincide with both of my blogs that I do write. One blog is about creative journaling, and one blog is with my personal art. The creative journaling blog, I will definitely include that into the description on this video, as well as my personal blog. I will include that link as well. Today we are going to do pour painting on coasters. This is a new technique that I just picked up to learn. Just want to do something a little bit different. It is really fun. It's like the child in you is coming out. As an art therapist, this would be really good for people who are just uncertain about painting, and you just let the paint speak for itself, you let the color speak for itself. There's some cool techniques out there to include other materials to help you get some interesting designs. And today you could just follow me, follow what I'm doing, and I will put some descriptions in with the video, and enjoy the music that's included in the video. all this paint left over in my tray where I worked over, so I could keep I have the old baking sheets to let this sit and dry. So what can I do with this paint? As an art therapist, we're always thinking about ways to reuse and keep the supplies running longer. So stay tuned, because I am going to use this paint for something. Thanks for joining me with this pour paint. I am going to have all photos of my work on my blog. I'm going to be putting it on Creative Journaling blog, and I will also put a link on my 4 Paws Art Studio that I also have this technique for my personal art as well. So it will be in both places, and I will then